raining.
Hola everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Yan siya, mas maganda. Sarap ng sobrang lang. Ano? Pagkago?
750.
Hinat ako ng blueberry.
Ano ba?
May nakita ko sa grocery store sa Osaka. Yun yung kinain ko doon.
Frozen o hindi?
Hindi.
Sa panahon mo yun. Ay, hindi. Last time pa lang. Pero, off-season.
It's raining in Takayama at medyo malamig. Our luggages are here. Yay! Thank you.
Ano ba yun? This one?
Let's see.
Parang ito nga, pero parang iba, chums.
Parang, ano nangyari? Cheers!
Yes.
Ay, baby. Si Madam nagluluto.
So guys, dito kami kumain sa Takayama. Dinner. Yun lang yung totoong pagkain namin. Dinner na. Sa dami ng sinakay naming bus and train. So, highly recommended to. So guys, umuulan at saka ang lamig.
Hanapin niyo yun, no?
Ito to. Ito yung entrance.
Ito. Ayan.
Ayan.
Sa akin wala.
Lamig. Nasa mountain area kasi tayo. So yun lang guys. Ciao!
Hello, everybody. Raining.
Good morning.
Rainy day.
Rainy good morning from Takayama. So kahit umuulan, kailangan gumala.
So, si Dora and Boots, di mapapapigil. Di mapapapigil sa ulan.
Kahit 6 degrees. Ayun lang, walking. Going to the market. Night market. Ay,
Morning market.
morning market. Yeah, see you there. Hello. Welcome to Miyagawa Market, morning market in Takayama, near the river. So I was here the last time for a day trip. Mga handmade souvenir. Oh, food. Tamaten. So this is tamago. Fuwa, fuwa. It's so soft. Chums, meron na itong nag-bloom. Oh.
Ano na po, we're here at
It's raining.
Takayama.
It's drizzling.
walking tour muna po kami. This is the old houses.
Here in
name ng
Takayama.
street? Ganda.
This is our outfit.
Outfit done for
Because
today.
Freaking cold.
And it's raining.
drizzling. Kusakabe Heritage House. Walang tao.
Tignan po si Shai.
Hello guys. So we're here in we're doing our walking tour for 2 hours. We're still in Takayama. Anong name nito siya? Jumps?
Wait lang.
It's the Takayama.
Basta nandito yung floating exhibit.
Yeah.
Floating festival
I
exhibit.
think it's dry near the mountain. I forgot the name, but definitely you can just walk around Takayama.
Ang gulo ng cameraman mo. Sorry na po. Wait lang.
Kayo na mag-adjust guys.
Guys, sorry. Magche-check lang ng mapa. This is Takayama Festival
Ayan.
Floats Exhibition Hall. So,
Pero
nandito
yan
yung...
shrine.
Di ba pag may festival sila, may mga floats sila na pinaparada. So, nandito naka-exhibit yung mga floats na yun.
Treasure Fall. Ayan.
Ayan, doon pala dapat tayo. Pero, dito muna tayo sa shrine. I-zoom ko para makita niyo. Yan. Ang maganda dito, guys, di siya masyadong madaming tourist kasi maulan. Kami lang ang nagtataga. Nakita niyo, may drizzle pero wala kaming tayo.
Yeah. But it's okay. It's just good.
So dito po nagpuput ng offering for the prayer tree. Ladle pa tawag ko.
Yung parang ano.
So walang ladle. Wash na lang hands mo dyan. Tapos pati mouth mo iwawash.
to clean your hands and your dirty mouth.
We have a lot.
Hands.
Mount dapat.
Yeah.
Pero kasi walang spitan dito kaya.
Pwede yata dito. Nakikita ko yung iba dyan sila nag-ano.
Ganun lang po. Huwag yung isusuan.
Not for drinking.
Tawal kayong dalaga.
May araw na. Hello, sunshine. Finally, it's sunny. It's sunny. And that's Chami. Walking, walking, walking. Mochi, may strawberry. Shop. Ang daming people. Ganda oh. Wow. The mountains. May snow ka pa. Yan na lang sumilip. Hi, hi. And Gapango. Parang ang ano natin ng mga more than an hour. Ganda dyan, Shams, oh. Shams! Yan yung bridge pala kanina. Wow! Okay. Di ba? Ah, first step pa lang? Okay. Ah, rest. Wow, meron pa kami rest. Snack? Biking. Get and go. So, rest muna. Ganda ng clouds. Papasok na kami sa tunnel. Yan yung tunnel. Pagod ang person. Wow. May pa-lights sa tunnel. Ay, mamamatay na yung ano. Take me home, take me home to a place I belong, West Virginia. Come tomorrow, take me Nakapagod pala mag-uphill, guys. Go, go! Malapit na! Go, go, go! Dora, Dora, the Explorer! Yay! Gato! Ah, yeah, the bag. Yay! Finish! Finish! Ah, gato. So we booked this Gatan biking tour with the Nohi bus. So yun lang. Ilang minutes lang siya? 30? Or more than 30? Yeah! Apat lang kaming sakay. Mga Gatan go riding bike. Ay wow. Ganda chamso. Mountains. Oh, it's so nice chamso. Wait. Oh man. Almost nighttime in Takayama. Guys, good morning. So, nag-clear na yung sky. Kita na yung mountain from Takayama na may snow. So beautiful. This is our view from Coco Hotel. So nice. Our lunch. Parang ito yung ayan na natin. Totoong food since last night. Ay, since yesterday. Itadakimasu! Off to Hidano Sato. So prepare your payments. It's cash based. sis. Init na. Mainit na malamig. 700 yen entrance. It's an open air museum.
They're not very good at getting it, are they?
That's close. Yeah.
Open.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then up.
Ano ka video pala? Ayaw mo siya. Mahirapan to.
Di kaya?
Dapat balance to. Dapat ganyan.
Ayan! Oh! Halika tayo.
Ayan o, yung bamboo isa.
Hard.
Maybe. Tan, taran, taran, tan, taran, taran, taran. Tan, tan, taran, taran.
Sige.
This is easy. Pag nag-aano ka doon, mapisat yung ano ko sa kuya.
Cannot be so hard.
The yellow one. Oh.
Ikaw.
Hina Matsuri, the Hina Dolls Festival in Hida Folk Village. That's so many dolls. Tibay, knowing na yung 4 seasons, yung winter, at saka yung araw. Interesting. So, we will make a wish. And we will strike the bell, the big one.
Mali pala yung video ko.
Ang dami kong finish.
Sorry, yung video ko nakaano ka.
Kaano? Kala ko naglalakad ka na. Parang this is like a new place. Wow. Newly discovered. Hindi pa namin ito napuntahan. Tari ng CR. Oh. Wow. Ganda. Ay, ano yan? Really? Jinja Shrine. Oops. Tapos, yun.
The ice cream girl. And the ice cream vending machine.
200 pesos. Yung feeling natin yung 300 pesos, mura lang talaga as for an ice cream, no? Yay! Tagal mag-isip ng 17 ice, ha?
This is Hokkaido milk.
Okay, so this is the start of the Higashiyama walking course. They said it would take around 2 hours. Wow. Ay. Ba't kaya nagiging yellow and brown yung trees, no? Ganda. Oh, is that so? Kaya nga, temple hopping. Yung Higashiyama walking tour.
Wow.
Oh my God, I hope it won't rain because it would take 2 hours. Is that the way? Oh no. Are supposed to be Higashiyama walking tour has ended after a couple of minutes because it's raining, but it's beautiful. Look at that. 7-Eleven in Takayama. Yung JR. Ay! Bye, Takayama. Until next time. Hamburger. Ganda ng araw. Maganda rin tong ano eh. Itong dadaan ng bus.